Facing issues with the Photos People album not showing up on your iPhone? It can be annoying, but don't worry. This usually means there's a problem with facial recognition. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Sync Photos. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap iCloud, tap See All, tap iCloud Photos, tap Sync Now. After that, scroll down, tap Download to keep original. Solution 2. Troubleshoot the internet. Verify that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open browser, type Speed Test. Now make sure to have stable internet. If your internet is slow, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds. Now disable it. After that, switch your internet from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa. Solution 3. Reset the photo settings. Open the Photos app, tap Profile, scroll down, tap Reset Suggested Memories. Also reset people and pets suggestions. Now go back, scroll down to bottom, tap Customize and Recorder, tap Reset at the top left corner. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open the Settings app, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, check if the People album populates correctly. Now that you've tried these steps, the Photos People album on your iPhone should be working fine. If it's still not showing up, don't hesitate to reach out to Apple support for more help.